reporter reporting from Lord Mahavira School. Today we are in the jungle and let's see what is happening today.
People are becoming very selfish. They are taking advantage of us and they are cutting us.
Yes, you are right, my friend. They will never get to know the value of us. When we will be cut, they have to pay for this.
You are right, bro. We give oxygen and fresh food. If people deserve stop the cutting of trees, they will face the big disaster, just like earthquake, tsunami, and etc.
Yes, bro, you are saying right. These humans are so selfish, they are cutting us and gain profit and become rich by destroying us.
Human beings are so cruel, they cut us for their profit and
See the condition of the jungle and what happened to the animals. They were taken away from their homes. Their homes were destroyed. And who destroyed them? Human beings. Just for a little sake of money. That is really not correct. Now, we're in the city and we'll see how these two businessmen will keep their point of views about their own things, about their own business. Let's start and see how their conversation will go.
I have a great proposal for you. The proposal you won't even think about it, right?
A proposal? What could such a great thing be?
See, you know I own a very big furniture company. And I have my factories all over the country. But now, I want one factory here also. And I need some space. And I have seen you own a really great big garden. I think I should buy it from you. And I will definitely offer you some great amount of money.
I cannot accept such an offer. I love my garden. It is my ancestral property that has been passed down from me. I love my garden. I love nature. I can't sell it.
In such case, what have you earned till now? You don't have any luxury car, you don't have any big house. Look at me, I have everything I need, everything I want.
I have my social responsibilities as a businessman. I have to retain what I have. What is mine? My nature that I have to retain, my beautiful garden. I will not sell it just to be destroyed to someone.
What about nature? Let the government handle it. And responsibilities, as a businessman, I think the only responsibility we have is to make some good profit.
Other than profit, there are a lot of things other than profit. Look at the pollution out there. The pollution is too much. Look at Delhi. The air is too polluted.
Why are you thinking about this country? We are businessmen. We can move to any other country whenever we want. And I will offer you such big amount that you can live in abroad without any problem.
I will not accept such an offer that comes at the cost of nature and my social responsibilities and honesty.
Think again. You will be in a big loss.
I will not think again. I cannot accept such.
It's okay. I will find someone better than you. And from now, I won't make any deal with you.
It's done.
These trees look very good. Let's start cutting from this area.
Okay, sir. Let's start.
Now, we have seen the condition of the jungle, of how a businessman just for some money destroyed the jungle and how the animals were taken away from their homes. We are in the city now. We know the city life, polluted, full of pollution and all of the air and dust. Now, let's talk to some of the people who are living here and what are their situations. Excuse me, would you give me a moment? Would you like to tell me about the conditions that are here and why are you all wearing the mask?
Because they are not able to breathe properly, that's why we all are wearing masks. There is too much pollution and the reason behind this is cutting of trees by the people and excess use of electronics.
Yes, she is right. We can't even see properly in this pollution. They don't have feeling towards the nature. They just cut the trees for their own benefits.
Thank you for your time. Excuse me, would you like to give me a moment, please?
Yes, sure.
So, what are the conditions that you are facing here?
Have you noticed the extreme weather condition?
Yes, it's crazy. You notice that's October month, but there is still hot weather.
Yes, you are absolutely right. In previous year, winter arrived in October, but in this time it was very hot. What's the reason behind it?
It's global warming due to human activity like cutting down trees.
Oh yes, cutting down trees also affect biodiversity and human health. Is there any solution?
Yes, don't cut trees and conserve water.
Thank you for your thoughts and opinions. We have have seen the situation of the jungle. We saw that animals were destroyed, and in the city life, the people were also in a bad condition. We have to do something for it, or else we really have to face the consequences. If we didn't plant some more trees, then absolutely we are getting our karma back. So that's it I wanted to say to you. Please plant more trees and please save our environment, or else it will go worse than we are facing right now. Thank you.
Hello, who's there?
I'm Dr. Sanjini Kumari calling from Delhi Hospital. You are Mr. Siddharth?
Yes, I am.
Actually, I want to inform you that your family members got admitted in hospital and they are very serious.
Serious? What happened to them?
Yes, their condition are very critical.
Why?
Actually, air quality index has increased and people are facing breathing problem. Your family is affected by this. It is very difficult to save them because poisonous gas has affected their lungs. Their lungs are very weak.
Take as much as money you want, doctor, but please make them healthy again.
I'm sorry, Mr. Siddharth, but your money can't save your family's life.
But I have so much money. Please do something.
Doctor, come soon. Bed
Hello?
number 60 patient is very serious right
Hello?
now.
Mr. Siddharth, just I suggest you to come soon, okay?
Hello. God, please save my family. I will plant more trees from now. I will stop all the work I do. I will stop deforestation and please recover my family from all this.